How to send money through Remitly. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can send money through Remitly. So sending money through Remitly is very secure, quick and affordable. And here is how to go about it. The first step is to create an account if you've not. Alright, ensure you create a Remitly account. Once you created a Remitly account, you'll be brought to this page where you'll see three tabs, namely send money, transfer history, refer friends. And then you might be asked to verify your account too. All right, just select whatever, just follow all of the procedures. And then once you're on this page, you can see you send, you receive. So for example, now if you want to send 15,000 USDT, for example, this is the amount that it will reflect in naira, and then click on continue. After clicking on continue, you'll be asked to provide a few details. All right, this is because my account has not yet been verified. But for you, if your account has been verified, you'll be taken directly to the page where you'll be asked to choose your delivery method. That is, how do you want to send the money? Do you want to send the money directly to your recipient's bank account? Do you want the recipient to collect the cash from a provider location, or do you want the money to be delivered to your recipient's address? Select any of the options that is being displayed, and then after you've selected the option that you prefer, you'll be asked to provide your recipient's name and other necessary details. All right. Ensure you input all of this, and then ensure you select a payment method. That is, for me, how would you like to pay? How would you like to send this money? You don't send it through your card or through your bank account. Check through the transfer summary, make all the necessary edits, click confirm transfer, and then just like that, the transfer will be successful. And then you must note that Remitly provides real-time updates so you can monitor the progress of your transfer. And how do you monitor it? By going to the top part of the screen where you can see transfer history. Once you click on transfer history, on the transfer history page, you will see three tabs by the right side, which says all transfers in progress delivered. So the transfer that you've made, that is not yet been delivered, but is in progress, would be displayed here. So you can just keep on monitoring it. And then when it's no longer in here, that means that it has been delivered. So that is how you can send money on Remitly, but ensure that you have carried out all of your verification process so as not to be delayed or stopped. Thanks for watching and have a good day.